So here we are coming to the end of another year, and it just flew by so fast. I think I'm just gonna end this video. Actually, I think I'm gonna end this year. 2017 was still just like a year of trying new things and delving into new experiences. If you guys can't already tell, I'm exhausted. This year has not only done a number on my car, but also on me. Definitely more ups and downs, that's for sure. We've met so many new friends this year, and I'm just really thankful for all of the experiences we got. Yo, look, we got a friend. Hey, come here, buddy. Don't be shy. Aw, never mind. Really, guys, it's the little things in life that you can't take for granted. And it's just like spending time with your friends. Like the car, it's there, it's vanity. But for me, I don't build the car to win trophies, and that thing is more than I could ever ask for. It's given me a lot of things that I never thought I'd need. Like, for instance, you guys. If it weren't for that car, I don't think I would have had this channel blow up the way it did. And my fan base, you guys, the supporters, I'm not entirely sure you guys would have come across me on any of my social medias, so I have a lot to thank for that car. All the memories that we've gained this year, also very worth it. Except for that one last hefty ticket that I got in fall when I got my car impounded in Golden, BC. That was terrible times. Anyways, here's a small year-end recap for you guys. Enjoy. Hey, good morning, guys. Day 6 of growing out this poor excuse for mustache, and day 2 of trying to find a house for me and Steven to live in. When it comes down to it, for Asian families especially, they're very family oriented. The reason why I want to move out is because I just have no more space down here. So it's more of a reason to expand my business than anything. Hey, can I make this the sound studio? This can be all my pop figures. This place is dope. So there's 2 bedrooms down here in the basement. It's perfect. And all of my camera gear and equipment can go there. My pop figures. Okay, you know what? I'll save the decorating to when we're actually moved in. I'm getting too excited. Don't believe. Steven, what have we done?
Let's enjoy how peaceful it is.
Yeah, right? The calm before the storm. Now the name of the game? Oh!
In the merry-go-round.
One of the bigger reasons why I ended up getting this place to rent out, aside from the commercial bay, is space. Commercial bay is gonna be meant more for car related things. To give you guys a small idea. Shane, how tall are you? 6'6". One of the main reasons why I was really drawn to this place was this mezzanine. So we can actually take bird's eye view photos of our cars.
In the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come on feeling refreshed. Life is a gift.
Spaces. Look at that shit. So for all of those who are wondering when I'm actually gonna get wheels that fit this kit, I've actually had them for a couple of months now. It's just I haven't really had time to do any car stuff.
17, I start to realize that people are in evergreen. Start to question how and why we disagree and why we're so mean. I wonder why so few people have had a dream, and I'm wishing that it would just all slow down. I'm just trying to forget all that I know now. That's why I breathe in slow and let the smoke blow out. So pass it to the left until that.
This is why I needed the adjustable control arms.
Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in that merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. I'll always be a child at the bone.
This is how you KC Neistat vlog, but it is. Set up the camera, walk back to position, and voila.
I throw it back a couple years just for a minute, spin it like a record player back until the finish. Listen to me tell it, let me reminisce. It was 4th grade when I first exceeded limits. Ooh, I got
looks like outside.
Shouts to Chancellor Bennett. Teachers acting offended, really they just pretended.
Alright guys, to make things easier, I'm gonna switch to GoPro mode.
Man, I never understood. How could all this punishment possibly lead to good? Fuck a timeout, I'ma live it how I should. I dipped out while I hit my head under my hood, hoping nobody could see me. Peace in the Hollywood, and it's been like a dream. I just haven't woke up. It's time to grow up, hopefully before I blow up. You know what? I'll just keep on giving no fucks. Cause if the living isn't great, then you should probably smoke up. Smoke up.
I'm so scared here. You're like so close to the thing, man.
Am I really?
You are actually like touching the flowers.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone. Cause I merry-go-round, even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. In the merry-go-round.
No! Oh my god. Amazing.
Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone. Cause I merry-go-round, even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone.
Yo, what up guys? Alright, so the plan for today, Albo's actually already set it up for us. The plan for today was to kind of match up the scenes in Initial D in real life, so we're really looking forward to it. And what's a plus is I'm actually driving a Hachiroku in Japan, so this is a real dream come true for me. Hey. Made it. Lost this kid. Jeez, man. So this right here is the iconic starting point in the anime.
What I've learned from interviewing people who are like in their 40s and 50s is this area 20 years ago was very similar to how it's depicted in the anime. Teams would come up here and battle this exact course, and this exact course is still used by Hashiriya today. Over here, it's more of like a grip course. Going towards Haruna Shrine, it's very, very windy, and people use that for drifting. This place is super iconic. You get chills when you come here, and it's an amazing feeling. If you like cars. If you don't, you're like, what is this place?
This is the crew we rolled up in today. Now, Lake Haruna is actually just a little bit further up ahead. We're not there yet. The tofu still has to be delivered. Alright. Okay, wait. Okay, I got it. Alright? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
First try, bro.
Are you serious? Yeah. Be careful. Yeah.
I have to find my shrine. 22.
Her bodies go like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound.
We brought back the Japanese
to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening.
For a first timer, you know, you guys are gonna have to cut me some slack. Buddy! Chill, bro. I'll sweaty. Oh, wow. Ote. Oh my goodness. So I've already actually done a couple of the over fender pieces, and I still have a couple of pieces left to go. Yo. Another day, another fender piece.
Time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend a touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs.
Show is over. Hey. We did it, guys. Like my loader car?
Bro, it looks so skinny.
Thanks. So we're here at McEwen University in their parkade, and this is where Driven Edmonton usually takes place. I promised everyone else who asked if I was going to be at this event that I myself would be here, even if my car wasn't. So again, Street Peaks. I can't get my car. That means I'm stranded in Golden BC. The past 30 days, man, felt like I was missing a part of me. Cheers, cheers, yeah. Hey.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the weight of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise.
Pretty amazing things happen, to say the very least, and I'm looking forward to seeing what 2018 brings for us. So before we end this video and we jump into the new year, I'd just like to say thank you guys for following me on this journey. Definitely wouldn't have been able to do it without your guys' support. So hopefully we're here to stay for a while, and you guys keep enjoying the content that I bring for you. Hope you all have a safe and wonderful New Year's, and I hope next year is just as fruitful for you guys, and God bless. Follow your dreams. Good luck on all of your future endeavors. I just pray for the best for everybody. Yeah.
By the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's